welcome back to another model aircraft review. I've been super excited to unbox this United Airlines Boeing 777-200 in the new livery. I got it a little while back, but I just hadn't had a chance to upload this video yet, so here we go. Alright, first off, we got the packaging. This packaging is actually pretty big compared to most of my other models that I have. It is a wide body, so that makes sense. Here we got some of that information if you want to read that. We got the plane in here, nice and secure. 1/400 scale die-cast model, highly collectible, superior quality, realistic metal landing gear, as real as it gets features. Alright, it's got more information. Got this nice picture on the back. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the packaging. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. Just gotta flip it around. You know what? There we go. I always find it difficult to open the box with one hand, so I thought I'd let you guys skip that part. Alright, let's take a look at this. First off, I just love the look of the new livery on the 777. It's just so amazing. We got that nice blue color on there. I'm always impressed by GeminiJets. They never cease to fail with their quality. We got the tail number N210UA. We got those nice landing gear. They do roll, for any of you guys who are wondering. We've got all the antennas on top. We got the little Wi-Fi thingy-mabobber. All those little antennas on top. We got the Star Alliance logo right there on the nose. It's a great model. This is my first GeminiJets 777 and I'm super impressed. They've got all the markings on here. They've got the beacon lights, they've got the navigational lights. If you guys were interested in this model, I would definitely recommend it. I got it for a pretty good deal actually, so hopefully you guys can find it on sale also, but that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you guys some nice pictures of this and then we'll go from there. Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely big thumbs up, 5 stars, highly recommend this model. I should have another model airport review coming up soon. I got a few new models to show you guys, so stay tuned for that. Please like and subscribe for more content and see you guys in the next video.